The old expression, the pen is mightier than the sword. Words written and spoken have consequences. And over the last 20 years, we have seen the rise of anti-migrant sentiments, anti-Muslim sentiments, anti-BME community sentiments, not only in the United Kingdom, not only in Europe, not only in America, also in Australia, where politicians, media, online as well as print and others, newspaper moguls, editors like Fox News owners, Murdoch, the Daily Express, The Sun and others have consistently run lies and lies about all of these communities. It is not surprising then that some people, hearing this day in, day out, actually start hating those communities. And then when we have established writers and columnists in this country like Katie Hopkins and Rod Liddell and Melanie Phillips and others encouraging all this. So my question is, when are we going to seriously tackle the question of what